How to remove Great Wall Steed taillights and replace the bulbs. When you open the back, there's one 10mm bolt that you'll need to remove. And afterwards, there's only locators on the inside. With a plastic tool, be very gentle. You don't want to crack the lens. You'll need to get in between and it should slide out quite easily. If it doesn't, just go along, try to detach it. Don't force it. You can unplug the tail light by pressing onto this piece there. And to replace the bulbs, all you need to do is turn it to the left anti-clockwise. You can pull the bulbs out and then the new one in. It's quite easy to do at home. It's the same thing for all of the bulbs. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. And if you do want to support the channel more, you can always send a super thanks by clicking onto the button underneath the video. Any amount, even the bare minimum, is much appreciated.